In this video, we're going to take a look at polygons and we're going to be classifying them. So to start things off, we need to define polygons. Polygons are going to be any closed two-dimensional figure made up of line segments. That means we're not going to have any gaps or openings, and every part of our polygon will be a straight line segment. So no curved parts, all just straight lines, or segments of lines. One type of polygon we're going to look at is called convex. This just means that if you take any side of that polygon and you extend it indefinitely, you will never land interior to that polygon, meaning inside of. So for this example here, I've got this polygon with 5 sides, and if I take every single side and extend each of them indefinitely, I never land inside of my polygon. So this would be called a convex polygon. Next we have concave. Concave is sort of the opposite. This is a polygon where you can find at least one side, when extended, does end interior to your polygon. So looking at this polygon, which also has 5 sides, if you were to take one side, say this one here in red, and just continue it, you'll land interior to that polygon for at least one point. So this would be called a concave polygon. So the first classifying of polygons, we want to be able to determine, is this polygon concave or convex? To do that, you can just extend all of the sides and see if you land inside of your polygon or not. The next way to classify your polygons is to look at the number of angles or the number of sides that your polygon has. With this little chart here, this tells us the different types according to sides. Obviously, 3 sides we have a triangle, 4 sides we have a quadrilateral, 5 is pentagon, 6 is hexagon, etc. So this is a good chart to take a look at and be pretty familiar with. Some of the more rare ones we don't see too often are hendecagon, the 11-sided polygon, dodecagon, the 12-sided, and any polygon that has more than 12 sides, we're actually going to just say n-gon. So for example, if I've got a polygon with 30 sides, I'm just going to say 30-gon. Or a polygon with 15 sides, we'll just say 15-gon. So that's the second way to classify, is by the number of sides. The last way we're going to classify polygons is according to regularity. So a regular polygon, this is just a polygon where all angles are congruent and all sides are congruent. So the classic example of a regular polygon is a square. Every side is the same length, all of the angles are 90 degrees. And there are all types of regular polygons. So if you don't have both conditions met, all angles congruent and all sides congruent, you have what is called irregular. That just means you have at least one pair of angles or one angle that may not be congruent to all the others, or one side that may not be congruent to all the others. So those are our 3 ways of classifying polygons. We first look at convex versus concave, then we look at the number of sides, and then we ask, is this regular or irregular? And those are the different parts of polygons that you should be familiar with.